How you guys doing? So today we're gonna do a market recap. As you can see on the trade right here, it was a beautiful, beautiful day on the market. Very nice move. So let's not waste too much time. Let's show you exactly what my strategy was and what went through my mind. Okay, so with the charts all cleared up, let's do a top-down analysis. So on the daily time frame, as we see, we actually just inverted this fair value gap, showing us that we are looking for bullish momentum on the daily time frame. The 4 hour, we also had not really yet, but we did have this fair value gap right here, which we did have some couple spikes above. So it was pretty solid that we do want to go up. So that was also very nice. So dropping down to the 15-minute time frame, what did we see? First thing we saw on the 1 minute time frame, we had this sell side liquidity along with this sell side liquidity. So this was already my points of interest. Coming down to the 1 minute, let's see what we do. So we're playing. Okay, still pushing down. There we go. We have that first retest. So as you see, we hit the sell side. Not only that, on the 15-minute time frame, what else do we have? We have a fair value gap. Now on the 1 hour, what do we have? Fair value gap as well. 5 minute, what do we have? A fair value gap as well in this area. So as you see, this area very, very strong. So now let's play into it. Let's see what else happens. Going forward, going forward. There's our top. All right. So first thing, what do we see? Manipulation and our market structure shift right at the top. Let's see. Are we going to respect this? Okay. Playing around. Little wick. We still didn't close. So it's still not a market structure shift. Also, just to add on, we also had a SMT with NAS NES. So let's mark that out right here. As you can see, SMT, one making a high and a low, the other one making a low and a high, which is a divergence in the market between the two correlated assets. So this is already multiple confluences. We have a major zone because we have multiple fair value gaps on the 5, 15, and 1 hour. We have an SMT and we have a sell side liquidity. Bro, that is beautiful. Now let's go down to the 1 minute to try to find our entry. Now on the 1 minute time frame, as I just stated everything on the 15-minute time frame, all these zones. Now we have a manipulation with the market structure shift. Let's see if we can respect the market structure shift to show that we're moving from a downtrend to an uptrend, which we do. So before we jump forward, now, are we going to take this trade? So let's see. From the top right to market structure shift, take a standard deviation all the way to the 2. Stop loss, of course, is going to go right below the SMT low because that is a protected low. But what do we get? A 1.5 RR. It's not very good. So what do? We take from the highs to the lows. We look for the 0.5 to get tapped. So right here, 0.5 gets tapped. That's our discount area. Now let's try it again. What's our RR now? Look at that, 4 RR. Much, much, much better. So take our entry, stop loss right below the lows, take profit right at that -2. And guys, it's honestly as simple as that. Like, you really cannot complicate trading anymore. We did have a very strong consolidation over here, yes, but the second that this -1 gets hit, automatically stop loss goes right to break even, and you are automatically in a risk-free trade. So guys, you have not many steps. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 steps. Fair value gap, sell side liquidity, SMT, market structure shift, showing from the downtrend to an uptrend. It's so easy. So guys, if you did like this video, let me know in the comments, leave a like, subscribe. If you do want a list of my favorite broker, I'll have it in the comments below. And also let me know in the comments if you want me to start a Discord. Try just to get like a little community going because we are growing really fast. So I really, really appreciate that. So as I said, like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you think.